Hey, welcome back to the channel. One of the things that I've always had problems with is applying putty. Take a look at this putty job I did a long time ago. It looks like I applied it with this or something. This is catalyzed putty, and I'm just not looking forward to sanding all this off. It's horrible, 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 horrible. And I've been using Tamiya putty for a while, but still I've been using, like a stir stick or a toothpick or an X-Acto blade to apply it, and still just haven't really gotten good results with it. So a friend of mine, Brian, BG Model Works, he showed me these silicone brushes, and I think Luca has these as well. But I ordered a set of 10 and tried them out for the first time. Let me show you how well they work. Look at this dashboard. There was a mold separation across the whole top there, and I was able to get in there real tight with the putty. Simple, simple, simple. Perfect. So if you have had problems applying putty in the past, I recommend that you get some of these, and works for me. I think it'll work for you too. Thanks. Bye.